Unlock your inner filmmaker and transform your everyday clips into cinematic masterpieces with this beginner-friendly guide to CapCut. First things first, let's get your footage into CapCut. Tap the large New Project button on the main screen. You'll see your device's gallery. Simply select the video clips and photos you want to use by tapping on them once you've chosen your media. Hit the Add button in the bottom right corner. Now let's talk about trimming and cutting to shorten a clip. Tap on it in the timeline, drag the white handles inwards to trim to split a clip. Move the playhead to where you want to cut, then tap the split icon. Adding some flair with effects is where CapCut truly shines. Navigate to the Effects tab, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Explore the different categories, from basic effects for subtle enhancements to trending effects for that modern look. Tap on an effect to preview it. And if you like it, tap the checkmark to apply it to your selected clip. Don't forget transitions. These smooth the cuts between your clips. Go to the Edit tab and tap the small white square that appears between your clips. This opens the transition library. Choose a transition that complements your video's mood. You can also adjust the duration of the transition. Using the slider, tap the checkmark to confirm. Finally, let's add some sound. Tap on the Audio tab. You can browse CapCut's extensive music library, add sound effects, or even extract audio from another video. Select your desired audio and tap the plus sign to add it to your project. And that's it. You've just learned the basics of using CapCut to create your first engaging video. Now, export your masterpiece by tapping the export icon in the top right.